Hi, this is Paul Cameron from speedupmyjobsearch.com, and if you are using Excel or just your inbox and sent folder to track your job search, today I'm going to show you a free tool called Trello, which is exponentially better to maximize your job search. Let's get to work. Okay, this is Trello. What you're looking at right now, this is a job search management board that I've customized specifically for job seekers. And I know if you're anything like me, if somebody tries to show me something new, I already have like 48 different things I'm trying to do today. Learning a new thing is just not one of my top priorities, but just give me a few minutes here. Let me show you this thing so you can see how it works, because you're going to find this is actually easier than the system you're using right now. And this is going to give you a huge advantage over anybody else going after the same positions you are. And I'm even going to give this to you for free if you want it, because this is just so important for job seekers to have. So I've got several columns here, and each one of these represents a different phase in the life cycle of a job lead. Okay, so we've got the leads where it's just a cold lead in this section here. Then we're going to start researching them to make sure it's a good fit and pursue it, apply to the position, follow up after the position, and if you get into the interview process with them, that's where all this stuff goes. Here I've got my lead, and to move things through this, it's as simple as clicking and holding and just drag and drop. Now let's compare this to Excel. This is a typical Excel tracking sheet. I see tons of these from job seekers where they'll have the company name and the position and the contact information, but that's about it, right? And up here we have the same information, the phone number and salary, location. And when I open this up, you can see that we've got all this exact same information on this card. It was referred. What's the next thing that you do? Well, in Trello, I'm going to click on checklist, and then I'm going to grab the corresponding checklist to the list that I'm in, research and pursue, add the checklist, and here's what I'm going to do next. Every time I put a lead in this column, I'm going to do these things. Make sure that it meets my needs with stability and industry and size and job duties, everything else, so I can check that off. I'm going to look for hiring manager names and employees so I can put them up in the description of this card. So now I've got this information of these people up here. Save that. Every time I open the card, I've got that information there. If I don't know how to do this, I've got a video. Click on that. That takes you to a video on my channel. I'm going to call those hiring managers and send the referral program emails to those employees. Click this link. That will take you to a blog article that will give you the exact scripts to send them. Check that off. And then I'm going to customize my resume for this specific job, and then I'm going to attach it to this card. All right, because I can do that. I can click this attach button and I can go grab the actual resume from my computer and paste it to this card, so I have this wherever I am. I check on this, and now I've got all these things. I can click hide those completed items, and you'll see I've got a very satisfying 4 out of 4 on there. I can move this thing into the next column, and I can go get that checklist. Over here, this is where we're grabbing all these checklists, so you can see them up front, and that's the checklist I grabbed. I'm going to follow the company on LinkedIn and Facebook, because that's going to help me rank higher in their searches. Then I apply to the position, follow up afterwards. That way I've got a specific plan of how and when I'm going to follow up. And then if I do get in process, here's some quick links to a lot of my interview videos to help you prepare for your interviews. Again, all of this is free, so I would just highly encourage you to use this. Trello has its own free app, so you can have this with you on your phone or your mobile device wherever you are. To get things into this, it's super easy. You can just go to a great job board like this one, click on bookmark, get the title in there, click save, and there it is. If you've got it in your inbox, email to board settings, I'm going to copy that, paste it, send it, and there it is. So what if I've got an Excel sheet that's got a ton of these things on it already? Okay, I'm going to grab all of these. I'm going to copy them. I'm going to come over here to add another card. I'm going to paste them. And then click Add Card. It says, hey, do you want to create 10 cards? Yes, I do. And there they are. It's super easy to get things into this. Again, this is a free board. Just go to speedupmyjobsearch.com. Start with the free starter course. You don't have to be a tech genius or a programmer to use this thing, but this will dramatically improve your results with your job search. So I hope you'll give this a try. Again, I'm Paul Cameron with speedupmyjobsearch.com. It's time to get to work.